we will get to Aaron's forecast in just a second, but first we wanted to show you this. A new and very New England horror movie is coming to theaters, and it has some familiar faces. So we're going to take a quick look. Don't worry though, it's not too scary.
Tomorrow's Thanksgiving, and I'm tired of pretending like everything is normal and it's not.
I want things to go back to normal too.
Show some enthusiasm. Thanksgiving is an institution here.
All right, so the movie takes place in Massachusetts. It's about an axe-wielding killer who is targeting people who live in the town. Now, in case you missed it, Maine's own Patrick Dempsey plays a role. The film's director, New England native Eli Roth, told the website MovieWeb that for the first time ever, Patrick Dempsey will actually use his real Maine accent in the film. So that'll be kind of cool to see Maine.
Have I never heard his real voice before?
I know. I'm like, I've spoken to Patrick a few times, and I haven't picked up on a Maine accent, but maybe it was for the cameras. I don't know.
I'm very curious. I don't like horror movies at all.
Me neither. I can't watch that. I would love to support you, Patrick, but I can't.
I was watching that How to Train Your Dragon the other day, the second one, and like when I know something bad's gonna happen, I just turn off the movie and watch something else.
Yeah,
so
not worth being sad over it. Yeah.
We'll go on the TikTok and find a clip of him talking at some point.
Yes, yeah,
That
we'll
could
do
be
that.
fun.
Do that for sure.
But it's probably not legal yet because it didn't come out yet. So give us like 3 years and then we'll get back to you. Good Saturday morning, everybody. We have some rain outside right now for most of the state, seeing at this point. Up north, a little bit cooler, so you're having a little bit of snow trying to mix in there as well. And if we look at your temperatures, you can see just that. I doubt you have much in many of these places. It's trying to freeze because temperatures get a little bit cooler. Most of us instead seeing temperatures that are somewhere in the mid-50s along the coastline. If you're looking a little bit further north though, you're seeing at 40s now. It's because this cooler air continues to move off to the southeast and give us cooler air in the forecast. It's because this cold front's sitting over the area right now, and as that continues to move off the coast, you're going to notice everything getting a little bit cooler behind it. And that's going to stick around for the majority of the week ahead, so you're going to notice everything staying a little bit chillier out there, but you are going to notice high pressure at play once again, and that means more sunshine back in the forecast as well. So it'll be nice in that regard here as we go through the rest of the week. For your morning here, rain is staying as part of the forecast, so we're going to see that continuing throughout Saturday morning. By about lunchtime, many people starting to get out of it, especially from the western half of the state. You're going to kind of be out of most of the rain by that point. The rest of us are going to have to wait a little bit longer in the afternoon, but we'll start to get some sunshine, trying to get out there right before sunset. I wouldn't expect to see much, but you should get a little bit trying to get out there overall, except if you live down east, hold on to that rain and those clouds a little bit longer out there through your day today. Tomorrow, going to have some more sunshine to start off the morning, so pretty nice as we go through your day. A couple clouds here and there. It's trying to show a little flurry, but I wouldn't expect to see much, if anything, as we go through it. For the next 12 hours, the other thing that's going to happen is the winds are really going to pick up quite a bit more. So as the rain kind of calms down around lunchtime, we're going to notice the winds doing the exact opposite, getting a bit more gusty. Wind gusts up to about 25 miles an hour here as we head into your afternoon. So we'll get a bit breezier as we go through there. That's going to stick around for tonight and tomorrow as well. So a couple breezy days are going to be around here as we go through it. When those temperatures drop off, you're going to start to really feel everything a bit more with the wind and the cold, just going to make those temperatures feel even lower. But as we go through the next several days, we're going to notice everything cooling off quite a bit more. And then for a lot of the week ahead, I mean, you can see it, temperatures are going to be staying in the mid to upper 30s. So it will be quite a bit chillier, but I mean, honestly, on Thanksgiving, that's kind of great because you can put some extra stuff outside on the deck to keep it cold. And also, it's probably going to be hot in your house, so you can crack a window. Also, before we get to Thanksgiving, though, the travel days, usually a lot of us are traveling on Tuesday and Wednesday as we go through it. You're going to have the possibility for some precip, that colder air mixing with some potential precipitation. Still kind of up in the air is what we can expect. What it's looking like Tuesday night into Wednesday morning. Could see a little bit of snow trying to mix in with that. And then by Wednesday, probably mostly seeing it more so as a rainy day as we go through it and clearing up before we get to your day on Thanksgiving. So we'll be better by that point, but we will have the possibility for some rain and some snow first. Seas at 3 to 6 feet out there right now on the water. Winds are going to be with gusts up to and over 30 knots, and there's a small craft advisory that's issued until 6 p.m. tomorrow. Otherwise, as we look through the rest of the week for your 7-day forecast, seeing some sunshine the next couple of days, temperatures drop off like we just talked about, a little bit of precip on Wednesday, and then Thanksgiving, it's starting to look a little bit nicer. We're going to have some sun starting to come back out, even more for Black Friday shopping. So a pretty, I mean, it's the same as usual. We're back and forth, but I mean, that's kind of how weather works.
Exactly, especially this year. All right,
Yeah, it'll be
thank you,
nice.
Erin. Good.